My friends, this is the easiest recipe you can make and completely without sugar. But if you have kids in your house or if you like the sugar, you can freely use the sugar. I am using only 20 grams of sugar, that is the palm sugar. And here is the fat, the vegan butter. I will be coming up with that recipe also in the coming up episodes. And this is a full bowl of mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, and cranberries, whatever you feel like in the nuts, you can add. And if you want to make this dessert totally nut free, you can add pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and also poppy seeds. It's around 2 kg of sweet potato, and it's a completely different variety of sweet potato which we get here, and it costed me for around pula 21.65 thebe. So let's start peeling. Actually, I have already started peeling one sweet potato, and look at its size. Peeling this is not an easy task actually, and I find this peeler very handy while peeling these. Even though the sweet potatoes here are quite big, but the taste and the fiber of these sweet potatoes is awesome. So making a sweet dish or a dessert, a typical Indian dessert which we call as halwa, is very easy with these sweet potatoes. Let's chop this into small pieces. Here is a pan. You can take non-stick pan as well as a kadhai. And into the kadhai goes just 2 tablespoons of fat, that is the vegan butter. Here is the green cardamom. So first we are going to saute the nuts very lightly. Take care not to burn these nuts. I can straight away add this boiled sweet potato in this, and it's easy to mash the sweet potato. Once it goes into the pan, sugar goes in, and it's just 20 to 25 grams of sugar, not much. It's palm sugar, no regular sugar, but if you are using the white sugar, it's up to you. It's totally up to you to use what kind of sweetener you want to use in this recipe. I can leave this like this, and I can do other work. I will come back after 5 minutes. It will be okay. I'm back, and let me check quickly. The dessert is not burned. It's been almost 10 minutes, and if you can see, there is no moisture left at the bottom of the pan, and the aroma is also coming very nice. Let's transfer this shakarkandi halwa. This comforting sweet dish always reminds me of my mother, of my childhood, when she used to make potato halwa with coconut slices on it, and this sweet potato halwa. So it's a totally delectable, comforting dessert which you can have during fasting days. If you also can relate this feeling of mine, please comment a heart or simply yes in the comment box below in the description box. I'm not sure if you can add the color or saffron in the halwa, but most people do. It's up to you to add the saffron or not. But I like this simple and the best. So see you in my next video. Till then, happy Navratris and Jai Mata Di. I'm quickly stirring this. Oh. My kids, they are very mischievous. They mostly
डालना please.
My kids, they are very mysterious. They usually run around when I am shooting a video. No problem.